This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook. The President or one of his representatives will speak on all stations shortly, or give a message to the public on the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our normal programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions and details will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. A message from the President will be relayed shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Citizens of the United States, we regret to inform you that our world is coming to a demise. Due to an unexplainable cause, the moon has exploded. This will cause numerous effects. First of all, the debris of the moon would fall to Earth. This would generate wildfires and cause earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanoes to erupt. Eventually the Earth's axis will start to change. Extreme temperature swings over a period of days will occur. This will also cause ice to melt, causing sea levels to rise. Due to the previously mentioned disasters, nuclear power plants may go into a meltdown and possibly explode, which will release dangerous materials. Some animals may become confused, and there is a good chance that wild animals will attack people. Not to forget that supervolcanoes may erupt as well. This is an extremely catastrophic situation in which we probably won't survive. At this time, gather with family, friends, and those you love and objects that make you feel comfortable. All laws are extinguished. You may steal stuff or get illegal drugs. You may do as you want. Informing kids lower than the age of 12 is not a suggested action. There is nothing we can do to stop this cataclysmic event. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency, but alas, there is nothing else that must be done. This station will now sign off for the final time with the playing of our national anthem. May God help us all.